Hello and welcome back to Mrs. Henderson's allotment. Just wanted to do more of a different type of video today. So we're just walking through my allotment plot today. So I've got some flowers that I'm going to try to plant maybe in this flower bed. We've got some honey bells and some hyacinths. We've got some snowdrops and some snake head Frutella or something like that. So I know I won't be able to put all of them in there, but yeah, so it's coming along, the allotment. Still lots of work to do. The other weekend they were able to come out and do some more work. The problem is we've got this big willow tree here. Well, it was big, but they've cut it down and things like that, but it just grows so quickly, so really need to get that under control. They were able to clear out a lot of stuff back here that just had a lot of stuff in there. Still loads of work to do in it. Back here is, I think, raspberry bushes, someone said. See, all this needs to get cleared out as well. But they were saying to maybe cover this side up this year, let it die down, and then work on clearing that area up more, and then let the raspberry bushes come out there. So I think that's what we're gonna try to do, but we need to obviously get all this removed. I pulled up my one rhubarb plant that was here in this bed, and we're going to actually give it to my mother-in-law. She's going to take it. But this rhubarb plant lasted 2 weeks ago, I think, that we came out here, and it was only a small little thing, and look how much it's grown already. So that's going to be great, and that's why we moved it, because both beds having the rhubarb plant in them just took up so much room, and really I don't eat a lot of rhubarb, so decided to take the one out, and then we'll just keep this one, and then we'll plant something here. Not quite sure what, but we'll figure that out. So this area, we had all these borders were all the way around this, so they've been able to take that out, which makes it a lot nicer for me to be able to just get in through here and work it more, get into here. I was going to plant sunflowers in here, but I'm still not 100% sure what I might do, because I wanted to keep this up as like a support, but I did buy some loofah plant seeds, and so I might put them in here because they like to have things that climb on there. So endless possibilities, but we got all this cleared out as well. So we'll look at maybe doing corn and some other stuff in here, and then all this here, this is all bluebells, so I cannot wait till these bloom and get all these pretty bluebells growing. But we've got this over here. Oh, I'm so excited. So these are all of our onions that we planted, so we only planted this 2 weeks ago, but look, my garlic is coming up. I'm so excited. So I bought some cheap garlic and planted those ages ago. I didn't think they were going to do well, and they have not produced. But these garlics I only planted a few weeks ago, and look how much they've already come up. So I'm so excited about that. I think there's about 13 bulbs. So I should get 13 bulbs of garlic. So I've got my potatoes. The only reason at the minute why I have the potatoes covered up is because we've got lots of cats. And unfortunately, the cats come over and do their business in the soil. So I've got it covered up for now. But once they start popping up, then I'll uncover it and stuff. But I'm thinking about doing my peas and beans here, so they have something to climb up on. So I've left this area around here clear so I can do my beans here. I pruned my apple trees a couple weeks ago, so hopefully those will start. You can already see some buds growing on them. And then we got the plum tree, that's coming along good. So, and we got our little herb garden. So I've just cleared this out today. So we got some thyme here, which I don't know if it's gonna come back or not. We'll see. We got some rosemary and got some sage. So I put some compost all around it just to make it a little bit neater, nicer, kind of help suppress some of those weeds. So I've got all this to deal with. So we got some lavender in here. We got lots of lavender last year towards the end of the season. So I'm hoping I got to get all this all cleaned out. Some more sage here. We got a tree growing there. Now, I'm not 100% sure what tree that is. I have an app that tells me, but until the leaves start coming in, I have to wait and see really what it is. It said it was a plum tree, it said it was an almond tree. Who knows what it is, so we'll figure out. But yeah, so we've got some black and red currant bushes here, I think, and some maybe raspberry bushes, so that'll be nice when that comes up. I think we got some crab apple trees here as well. And this is our new compost container that we've made. So put all that compost in there. I need to get one that covers up a lid or something that covers up the whole thing. We got this area that needs to get cleaned up, but again, having time to do it. So anyways, yeah, just wanted to give you more of a video tour and talk you through everything, but it is exciting. Little by little we're getting through things, so hopefully we'll have it done. We'll start planting some things that I'm hit and miss. Some people have already started to grow some corn. I might start planting some corn out, trying to get some stuff planted out. But anyways, thank you for coming along, and we'll see you next time. Bye.